In this video, I'll show you how to request and receive money with Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so if you are planning to request and receive money in Cash App, it's very simple, right? I've done that several times in the past, and the app is designed really to make transactions quick and convenient. So this is how you do it. First off, log in to Cash App using your account, or if you're not comfortable using your mobile device, go to cashapp.com, right? Log in using your credentials right here, and then after doing so, you might want to go and hover here, sending and receiving payments. Sending and receiving money is totally free and fast, and most payments are deposited directly to your bank account in minutes. Cash App can be used to send and receive money with anyone in the UK through their phone number on this or not only in the UK but in the US as well, on their dollar cash tag or their British pound cash tag, right? So whenever sending money, to send a payment, open Cash App, enter the amount you would like to send and tap pay, right? Enter an email address, phone number, or the dollar or this cash tag. Optionally, enter the payment or what the payment is for and tap pay. The payment will be available instantly in your recipient's balance. Payments are subject to and will be prompt for you to identify confirmation prior to being sent. This will prompt you to verify information or log into your bank account's website directly, okay? And now on receiving money, you can also use Cash App to request money, of course. Open Cash App, enter the amount you would like to request, tap request, enter an email address, phone number, or your unique cash tag. Optionally, enter why you are requesting funds. Say, for example, that's a family and it's for emergency, right? For a friend or for a client, obviously. When you request money, the person you requested money will have 14 days to accept or decline the request, all right? If they do not respond within 14 days, the request will automatically expire. And when you receive a Cash App payment, it will be available instantly in your balance. You can then choose to send money to your friends or family or cash out to your linked debit card. Whenever you send or receive or request a payment, you can view the details of the completed transaction by tapping the Activity tab and selecting the transaction. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.